Narad Muni goes to the Vaikuntha Loka and requests Lord Narayan to keep the doors of the spiritual world open so that he can bring anyone and everyone to the spiritual world. Narad Muni felt great compassion seeing the suffering of people. Lord Narayan agreed to this unusual proposal. Thus, Narad Muni came to the earth and preached to everyone with great enthusiasm, saying that the Lord has kept the doors of the spiritual world open for you all. Please follow me. I will take you to the spiritual world. Hundreds and millions of people followed Narad Muni en route to the spiritual world. Narad Muni was so happy and proud about his success, and he entered into the Vaikuntha Loka and announced to Lord Narayan his success. Lord Narayan turned and told Narad Muni, "Whom have you bought? I don't see anyone." Narad Muni was surprised and he looked back and he saw that actually no one came to the spiritual world. Because on the way to the spiritual world, everyone has to pass through the heavenly planets. And the heavenly planets are so tempting and attractive, filled with Nandakanam gardens, beautiful apsaras, celestial beverages. Everyone thought that anyway we have to reach the spiritual world, and once you go to the spiritual world you don't come back. So let us enjoy ourselves and check out the heavenly planet. And thus, no one reached the Vaikuntha except Narad Muni. The lesson is, on the way to the spiritual world, in the path of Krishna consciousness, there are so many temptations and attractions that come. The question is, will we be able to overcome all these attractions and reach the spiritual world? Radhanath Swami Maharaj, in his book The Journey Home, he explains that there are many objects that fall in the river Ganga. But not all these objects reach the ocean. Most of these objects get stranded at one of the banks. Similarly, many people may enter into the current of spirituality. But the question is, will everyone reach the ocean of Krishna? Or will we get stranded at one of the comfortable banks of enjoyment in this world? Therefore, we need to be very vigilant and focused in spiritual life. Mother Kunti, in her prayers to Lord Krishna, prays, Gange Vogam Udanvati. She prays that, my dear Lord Krishna, just as the Ganges flows without any interruption and without any deviation and reaches the ocean, similarly, O my dear Lord, let my mind be attracted towards you and let me overcome all the diversions and attractions of this world and reach your ocean, reach the ocean of Krishna. Lord Chaitanya also has taught us what should be our prayer. Na danam, na janam, na sundari, kavitam va jagadisha kamaye, mama janmani janmanishware, bhavatar bhakti rahetu ki koi. Lord Chaitanya has taught us this prayer. My dear Lord, I do not want wealth, I do not want followers, I do not want beautiful women. I only want your bhakti, birth after birth. So thus, we all should pray like Mother Kunti and Lord Chaitanya and pray to the Lord that we may all reach the spiritual world and get rid and be freed from the endless distractions and attractions of this world. Therefore, let us be very vigilant in spiritual life and very focused on this goal of reaching the Vaikuntha Loka. Thank you. Hare Krishna.